Hey, how you doing today? This is your host, driver Mr. Lee. This is your Doordash tip number, here's episode 20, I don't know, whatever. Basically, when I'm doing Doordash and see if I find myself on a trip that, let's say, is taking over 20 minutes or whatever, I have no problem of just pushing pause for a second, pull the side of the road, and contact customer service for Doordash and ask them, like, hey, is it possible I get an extra $1 or $2 for this ride since it's a long trip, whatever? And most of the time it'd be no problem. They'd be like, yeah, extra $1, no problem, whatever. Yesterday I had it for the first time where the lady, I guess somebody named Angel, whatever, was like, no, you can't do that. She kept beating around the bush talking about, well, we pay you from A to B, you can go such and such, and basically she wasn't giving me a yes or no answer. I was telling her basically, like, look, it's not that hard. Either yes you can or no you can't. You know what I mean? And that's about it. She came back and said, no, we can't do that. I had no problem. In those cases, just like, look, let me speak to your supervisor. I mean, because there's no way you're going to tell me that $1 is too much. You know what I mean? To ask for it for going a long way. You know what I mean? And sometimes they will ask you to go a very far away, but personally, I don't care if it's 15 or 12 or whatever dollars, whenever it says 19 plus minutes, I want an extra $1 from the gate, period. You know what I mean? Because then I do my best to beat that 19 minutes. You know what I mean? And overall works about better for you because there's more money in your pocket. You know what I mean? Because every single $1 do count. You know what I mean? So instead of, let's say, getting $12, we get $13 a ride. You know what I mean? I get 2 rides, that's $26 right there. You know what I mean? 26 sounds better than 24. You know what I mean? So that's all I'm saying. And they will do it, period. Now for a short distance, no. But for some that, like I said, is taking at least minimum, you know what I mean, 17 plus minutes, up to 20 plus minutes, whatever, they should be at no problem. You know what I mean? Because, one, you got to factor in, not a lot of people want to actually go and drive that far. You know what I mean? A lot of people don't, either whether it's a good pay or not. I mean, because I ain't going to hold you. I prefer the trips where it's literally around the corner and I'm making $10 all day long. Bam, bam, bam. I'm driving maybe 5 minutes here, then another 6 minutes there, or 10 minutes here, 10 minutes there. You know what I mean? Because you always got to remember, no matter what, just because it says 20 or 30 minutes or whatever minutes, you can't forget that you got 2 drive times. Not one, you got 2. The first drive time is from wherever you at to the store. The second drive time is from wherever the store at to the customer house. And you will not know how far the customer is until you pick up the food. So that's about it. Other than that, hope you have a good day, and need anything I can figure out or anything somebody tells me where I can make more money, I have no problem passing the message along. So peace. Please be sure to like and share, and if you want to drive or do whatever, just link down below.